Transform your concrete patio or balcony into a vibrant oasis with this easy guide to installing Costco artificial turf. First, ensure your concrete surface is impeccably clean and dry. Sweep away all debris like dirt, leaves, and pebbles. And if necessary, power wash or scrub to remove any stubborn grime or stains. A smooth, clean surface is crucial for a secure and even turf installation. Next, carefully measure the exact dimensions of your concrete area. Take note of any irregular shapes or obstacles like planters or furniture bases that will need to be worked around. Now unroll your Costco artificial turf across the prepared concrete. Allow the turf to relax in its new environment for at least a few hours, or ideally overnight. This helps any creases from shipping to naturally flatten out, making it easier to work with. With a sharp utility knife and a straight edge, begin to carefully cut the turf to fit your measured dimensions. Take your time here for a precise fit for curves or around obstacles. Make small, deliberate cuts, gradually shaping the turf. To secure the turf, the most common method is using a specialized artificial turf adhesive. Apply a bead of adhesive along the perimeter of your concrete area, and if needed, a thinner bead on the backside of the turf's edges. Firmly press the edges of the turf into the adhesive. You can then use a heavy turf roller or even stand on the edges to ensure a strong bond with the concrete for extra security. Especially in windy areas, consider using specialized turf staples along the very perimeter, hammering them flush with the turf. Finally, use a stiff bristled broom or a power brush attachment to gently brush the turf fibers upwards, and in a consistent direction. This will give your turf that natural, upright appearance. And there you have it, a Circumflex Euros, a beautiful, low-maintenance artificial turf area transformed from plain concrete, ready for you to enjoy.